Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix It Fisher. Nikki's got some things on a honey-do list for me to do. I'm gonna take y'all along with me today. I'm gonna replace the light bulb on the chandelier here in the dining room. And before I do that, I'm gonna turn the light on to make sure I get the right one that needs to be replaced. So it's that one right there. And I'm gonna use this chair. Hopefully it can hold up my unbelievably large and morbidly obese frame. And hopefully it won't break. If you look at this light bulb that I've never seen a filament quite like that. It looks like a teardrop guitar pick or something. I don't even know how that's gonna work. I don't know if it like flaps together like that and creates electricity. I don't know how that works. Every time I get up on something like this, I think about one of the managers I had when I worked in retail. Anytime you asked him if you could have a raise, he'd say, "You want a raise? Get a ladder." And he'd laugh and laugh. Pretty sure he's dead now. Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like there's a flame glowing. So I'm just going to turn the light off before our whole house explodes. And I'm going to try a different light bulb. So if you're ever in the store and you see the teardrop guitar pick filament, be kind of cautious about that. This looks like something that'd be in Beauty and the Beast, doesn't it? Kind of looks like the chandelier that Belle and the Beast danced to, where the Murder, She Wrote person sang. It looks like looks like the old light bulb's trying to come back. I'm gonna get a seizure doing that. Stop. All right, so that one actually still glows after I turn the electricity off. So I'm gonna try and just get a regular old light bulb. All right, now I'm gonna use a home luminaire that's frosty tipped to where you can't see in. It's kind of like a snow globe, but from what I can see in there, it looks more like a normal filament. Maybe this will work. And it's a different color from the other ones. It sticks out like a sore thumb. It looks like the other lights are just circling around him, judging him for looking that way. I'm gonna check the air filter. I don't think that I've changed it since Ben was with us in one of our previous episodes. Wow, it's working. The air conditioner's working. It's sucking it in there. I'm pretty sure I need to go get a new filter. What do you think? Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. I'm gonna go get a filter and then I'm gonna... Oh, and when you go to get a filter, make sure you know what size to get so you're not standing there looking at the wall of filters and then you have to call your wife who may or may not answer the phone. We're here in our bathroom and it's actually been updated and upgraded since the last time that we were in here when I showed you my throne. We've decorated, we've really tried to clean up and make it look real nice. And by we, I mean Nikki did this. And I'm gonna replace the light bulb in here with the Sylvania Double Life. I have no idea the quality of Sylvania. It sounds like some place that like vampires live or something like that. And when you're taking a light bulb off, especially off of a high level like this, use two hands. You can do it with one hand, but I try to twist and I keep one hand underneath it so that if it falls, I can catch it. Because I have dropped these before and they shattered up here on the sink. And boy, that is a time trying to clean up all that glass, making sure you get all the little shards up so that the little ones don't come in here and poke their finger or step on one a shard that maybe had fallen on the ground. So twist that off, put it in the box. And I like to shake it, and normally if it doesn't work, you'll hear something shaking around. I don't know all the science in that. This isn't science at Fisher, this is Fix It Fisher. Twist it in right there. Whew. Gracious, my arms were getting tired. And voila, now we have full lightage. There's a dead gnat or something on that. That's disgusting. Probably burned it alive. All right, that's how you replace a light bulb in an awesome bathroom. I'm getting ready to go to Ace Hardware, and before I do, I noticed that the back door of my truck is making a lot of noise. Sounds like a brontosaurus giving birth. So I'm going to use some WD-40. WD stands for wobbly door fixed in 40 seconds. And it has a fancy little straw thingy do where you can penetrate exactly where you want to spray the stuff. As you can see, that sounds like something from Land Before Time, doesn't it? Or Jurassic Park. And so this thingy and this thingy roll against this thingy, and so I'm going to put WD-40 on the thingies. I don't know how much to do, but WD-40 is fairly cheap. It's okay. I don't know if this is entirely organic. Probably not. All right. I'm going to spray some up there just for fun. I don't know what it is, but it looks like it twists and turns and stuff, so that probably has something to do with it. All right. Let's see if it sounds any better. The brontosaurus has given birth to her cubs, and now she is at rest. Good deal. All right. Let's go to the store. Do you know if Mom said anything about needing anything else other than the air filter? What was the size of that air filter anyway?
20 by 20 by 1.
20 by 20 by 1, okay. Oh gosh, I don't want to get hit, especially on film. Yeah, we're recording you. Drive safe, put your phone down. Ace is the place. The resentful hardware folks. Gotta work on a Saturday out here. Ooh, all the parking spaces are taken up. Let's see what the sign says. We now refill. All right, buddy, pay attention. It says we now refill propane tanks. It used to say, "Don't come in here without a mask or I'll kill you." So it's nice to know that they've kind of mellowed out a little bit. Just weaving through the parking lot like my granddaddy used to do. He'd spend 3 minutes driving through a parking lot in and out of spaces, and then he'd just be like, okay, we're gonna stop here. All right, let's go buy us a filter. We cut keys safely. We used to cut them unsafely, but people's fingers kept getting cut off, so now we do it safely. Oh, this is my kind of aisle. It's got a fan blowing. Let's see, what size did we need?
20 by 1.
All right, that'll work. And said so. This looks like something Mama would use to cut up zucchinis and stuff. I think we're gonna get Mama a new hose to water the stuff out front. Maybe I'll get some brownie points. Maybe she'll make brownies with real sugar. I'm hungry now. And if you're gonna buy a nozzle, probably be a good idea to go ahead and try it out and make sure it fits on the hose you're gonna buy, so you don't get home and look like a doofus in front of your wife, which I do most of the time when I get home. Even if I'm not bringing her something wrong, I just get out of the truck and she just looks at me like, and that doofus. Whew. Whew. Someone rocking some old people perfume. Good gracious. All right, so we got Mama a hose, and so really I came for a $3 filter and ended up spending $63. All right, I want to go ahead and I want to hook up the hose and nozzle and everything for Mom before she comes out and sees. I want it to kind of be a surprise. Hopefully I won't need any of my handy dandy tools. I'm gonna need my handy dandy tools. Oh, wait, is this the one that like needed a wrench to?
And you're also twisting it the wrong way.
That was a test to make sure that you were paying attention. Now pipe down. This is my show. Pipe down.
Oh man.
Yeah, I think I'll need my wrench. I'm going to use my trusty tool to undo this. Lefty loosey, lefty loosey. This thing, we wanted to replace it because when you turn it on, there's what, 15, 20 holes in it. So by the time the actual water got out to the other side, it was very low in its water pressure. Oh, and we're getting ready to disrupt a happy little family of ants here. Look at them, they built their nice little home. Look at that. Earthquake! Oh, wow. All right, and I'm gonna drag it through there. We'll fling some ants on Kaylee. Yeah. Yeah. We'll get this out of the way. That was stupid. Don't step in the ant. I hope this fits. Yes. Yes. Super high duty, heavy duty. That's a high duty hose right there. Hot dog. Ooh, looks like a snake. Yay, it works. Mommy will be so proud. She'll be like, gosh, Fix-It Fisher, you are awesome. And I'm gonna say, no, you're awesome. She'll be like, no, you're awesome. And I'll be like, yeah, I know. Let's see what kind of cool sprays this thing has. We have cone. Just like a cone. Clearly that's a cone. Full. Flat. Like half a cone. Jet. Shower. That's what mommy uses the most, is the shower. There shall be showers of blessing. Mist. Yeah. Ooh, that's like those theme parks when you walk through the little tunnels that have shrubbery and vines and stuff on. They have the little mist going. And soaker. And soaker. And soaker. Okay, well, let's cross that one out. Good night, that's terrible. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna leave it right here, coiled up like a snake.
Don't tell Mom about
She'll
it.
probably scream.
Don't tell Mom about it?
Yeah, and just let her come out and find it.
She's gonna walk out and be like, here's the doofus that knocked over the anthill right on by the front porch. All right, and that's the plant that we got her. This is cantaloupe.
It already has a couple flowers growing.
And it has flowers growing, right?
Yeah.
Mommy says I need to pick the armpits out and it helps them
No,
grow.
that's tomatoes.
That's tomatoes, so not with cantaloupe. You know, melons can't get married in private because they can't elope.
A new hose.
It's a 100-foot heavy-duty
Wow,
one with a new nozzle. Check out Soaker. Whoa! Wow.
Yeah, you like my DIY?
Hey, this is Fix-It Fisher, not Fix-It Mrs. Fisher.
Well, do you like that?
I do like it. That's courtesy of my good friend Jeremy Lawrence. Remember when he was
Oh yeah, when you was moving.
when they sold their house? He was like, "Here, take this."
It's a very, very
It is
convenient.
very.
Like,
Yes, thank you, Jeremy. And if I remember correctly, I put these up.
yeah,
I did. Because you have to find a stud.
yeah.
A stud, finding a stud.
It's an heirloom. You know what I mean?
That means that we pass it down to the next generation of fishers.
You actually kinda, yeah.
Mm,
High five.
your hand's dirty.
You're not afraid of dirt.
Ooh, hello. Ooh. Okay, let's go ahead and replace this thing. Oh. Ah, doesn't this just look so much cleaner than this? That is nasty. Luke, you want to play with this?
No.
Okay, good answer. Now this filter is a 90-day filter, and this is just a 30-day filter. We're gonna go with this one today. Woo. Ah. Now we can breathe the clean air, Luke. Deep breath. Okay. Thanks everybody for joining us for another episode of Fix It Fisher. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Got some stuff done on the honey-do list today. I'm feeling pretty good. I think I'm gonna take me a nice long nap. Or go work in the garden.